How to fix game files verification error in Genshin Impact. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Genshin Impact folder. So go down here and search up PC and select the disk where Genshin Impact is located. Go to Program Files, and if you downloaded Genshin Impact over Epic Games, it should be in the Epic Games folder. If not, it should be somewhere around here. Here it is. And from the Genshin Impact folder, find Genshin Impact game right here. Click on it. Once you find the file location, go on your search browser and type in the latest Genshin Impact update. Here, you can find the links to the update. For example, here is the 3.3 patch. Once you download it, you should put the zip file right here, and then simply right click and extract files here. After this, simply right click Genshin Impact, head over to Properties. Here under the Compatibility tab, deselect all of these options. For example, I only have Disable Full Screen Optimization enabled, so I'm going to uncheck that. Click Apply. And from here, I can restart the computer. And from here, you should be able to play Genshin Impact again. And that's how to fix the game files verification error in Genshin Impact.